Let us see how my chickens are coping with the intense heat.
The temperature inside is not too bad now. It is 84 degrees Fahrenheit. But it will get hotter in the day. So I've set up that sprinkler at the back of the coop. The sprinkler covers the back section. See? Right there. Let me give you a close-up view. Okay, see what it is? See? Okay. So when it's very hot, I turn it on here from the outside. I've just turned it on from the outside. So now it is on. Okay, and I'll take you inside to see what it is. Okay, so now it is on, and if you look closely, you'll see that it's creating a mist. So the chickens will walk along here and will get cooled down if the day gets too hot for them. Okay, here they have more drinking water. They have their feed and their drinking water over there in those green containers. So they are not short of drinking water. Here I have a solar exhaust fan that pulls out the heat from the coop. They wet their feet in that pan of water. So right there, that tire is their dust bath. They have their swing right here that they love to swing on. They have another one over there. So the bigger girls are over on that side. See them over there? That's the bigger girls. Hey Zoe. Their roosting area. Ooh, look at her. She's so relaxed. Look at her. So relaxed. Okay, let me just chill out with them for a while.